Guys, welcome back. Today I will be showing you this cutest DIY that's super easy and that can transition from the fall all the way through the holiday season. So guys, this right here is an old egg that I did a DIY with. Of course it fell apart, the gems fell off. I'm going to pull that out and reuse it and do a quick paint with this. It's just going to be something that I can give it a base coat so none of that shows up, and I'm using this stick to basically help it dry a lot easier, so that way it's not laying on its side. So it's just an easy quick tip. I'm also going to be cutting up some of these little cedar stems that I have that I'll be adding on at the end while it dries. Now this dry, I'm going to remove the stick and replace that with some jute string. You can even use a ribbon. It's so easy, just push it in, because this is from the Dollar Tree, guys, and it's sort of that thick foam, so it will hold it, but you can put a dab of hot glue to keep it in place. Now I'm going to be going in with these mini pine cones that I had left over from DIY last year. As you know, us crafters, we don't like to throw anything away, as you can see with that egg. And I'm just going to basically cover the entire little egg that I have here, and this is going to form or shape our topiary. And I'll make sure that I get close to that little jute string or ribbon, if you were to use that, to make sure it's completely covered. And this went about 15 minutes in time. It was pretty quick. Just want to hold it in place when you do add it on, and as you can see here, it's completely done. Now I'm going to go back in with those little cedar branches that I clipped earlier. This is basically the size that I'm going with. You can add as many or as little as you want. If your pine cones are very tightly together, you can probably just stick them in. And this is just adding in that extra flair. These are perfect for starting off even right now, even though it's going into fall. You start using pine cones and chestnuts in decorating. And guys, this is so stinking cute. I can imagine putting maybe fall leaves on the top or a ribbon during the holiday season. But check this out. I put this on a little like planter that I previously had from, once again, another DIY, and this is just turning it into another way of using this. So it's multiple uses. This can be placed, as you can see here, on some built-in shelves, which I have it parked over there right now. But guys, this is such a quick, easy, super fun, easy DIY. But I love the way that this can transition from fall to Christmas and even through winter, because it could be great for winter decorating. So guys, please give it a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.